Welcome again to this my show, this my YouTube channel. Today we are going to fix the door lock and also to remove and repair the window. The window got stuck. I could not be able to roll up or roll down the window. Also the door lock got stuck. I could not be able to open the door from outside, but I could open from inside. So first step, there is a small clip, the one that I'm holding. You're supposed to remove that clip so that you can access a bolt that is holding the door handle from outside. You use T30 for you to be able to open that bolt. Then the next step is you have to remove this metallic panel from the door frame. You can use spanner number 10. You unscrew all those bolts. There are so many of them. I think there are over 10. Then you can crack those covers, those rubber covers, for you to access the two bolts that hold the window, the window to the door frame. Then you remove the window or the glass panel that I'm holding. Remember, I started recording this video after I had already removed the window panel, but the procedure is the same. You just do the reverse of what I'm doing. Now you need to take off the metallic panel, and the purpose of taking off the metallic panel is to allow me to apply the sealant, prevent the dust from seeping in, to also prevent water from seeping in. Remember, water, when water seeps in, that is during car wash or when you're driving in a rainy season, the water may seep in and may cause an electrical short on the components, the switches that raise and lower your windows. So that is the harness that supplies the controls switches with the required current or power. Next step is you apply sealant. Here I did not have the recommended manufacturer sealant, but I had to improvise. I used silicone. Just apply all around. It's a very simple technique, and this will save you a lot. It will save your switch, the main control switch, from shorting. Apply all around smoothly. Apply all around smoothly. The other step is to assemble the metallic panel, the door frame, and make sure the motor, the one that drives the rails for raising and lowering the window panel, is well connected. And also make sure the harness is well connected. Make sure you return the harness to its original position. So this is a DIY that you can do all by yourself. You don't need an extra hand, and you don't need to visit your repair shop. You just do this at home. You just need a few tools here and there. Like you need the spanner number 10. You also need the T30, that is Torx T30. And clip remover. I think you'll be good. And also you also need a spanner, or do you call it Phillips spanner? Yeah, you need it. This procedure. Now I'm just doing the opposite of what I had of what I did. Yeah, you make sure those bolts are tightened. This is to allow the metallic sheet to lay flat with the door panel and prevent any gapping. If you have an electric drill or impact wrench, the better the work will be a bit easier. But here I had to use what was available. Remember, this is a do-it-yourself. It's not on a professional. It's not on a professional capacity. So you improvise what you already have at home. You return the harness so that you can be able to proceed to the next step. Now you return the window panel. You have to be extra cautious to prevent damage and breakages. Those 2 points, those are the connecting points. It will just align itself. Actually, it's an easy task. It will just align itself at the bottom. Then you will hold it with 2 bolts that yes, you just have to be a bit cautious. Don't force it. You just roll down by itself. Yes. Then on those 2 holes, there is a bolt number, I think number 10. Insert the first one, then the other one, and make sure it's tight, but don't apply too much pressure to avoid breaking that. You saw that the part on the bottom of the glass panel is plastic, so don't apply too much pressure to avoid breaking that part. And again, when you are screwing, you can try and use a screwdriver that has magnet, because what is going to happen, that bolt may fall down. Now after that, you return the what do you call this one? I think it's a rubber that prevents moisture from entering the vehicle. Also helps in noise reduction. It will just creep by itself. Now here we have the main panel, and it's connected to the door panel using body clips. If there is any damaged body clips, you just replace. Like here in my case, I had one, I think 1 or 2 of them that were broken, so I had to replace them. Then you return you plug back all the sockets. I started with the footlight. Then these are the levers for opening the door. This one is for opening the door from inside. Then the other one is for opening the door from outside. Yeah, this one is for opening the door from outside. Has a ball knob, and the one that has a 7-like shape is for opening the door from inside. Then you plug back all those plugs back to its sockets. You can't confuse, each plug is unique and it can only go back to its original socket. It's quite an easy task. Then you clip back the plastic cover and you start from the bottom. Start from the bottom all the way up. You start from the bottom all the way up. Don't start from the top. Start from the bottom all the way up. Then the other step, forgotten to return those two covers. They cover the spots where the spots where the window panel, that is the glass panel, sits on the motor, on the drive motor. So just make sure you glue them well. Put the sealant. This is also to prevent moisture, dust from getting in. Then you screw back all the two bolts that hold the door handle. There are two of them, one at the bottom, the other one at the top. Then after that, I think you're almost done. Make sure you return those sockets well. Make sure the door panel is tightly placed. It's where it's supposed to be. This is to reduce noise while you're driving. You know, some vehicles are very noisy because some body parts are loose or they are missing. Guys, that is how you are able to, that is how you can replace your door window by yourself. How you can change and replace your door lock or by yourself. You don't need a specialist to do all this. You can be able to do this at home. You're going to save a few bucks. Anyway guys, thanks a lot. Remember, this video is brought to you courtesy of Haven Fields Real Estate, a company that sells plots. Right now we have a project we are launching in Nyeri. It's called Harmony Estate. We are selling 50 by 100 at a price of 550,000. That is cash price. Installment 600, deposit 100,000. Clear the balance up to 1 year. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. hit the notification bell button, and also like. And I'll be very much grateful. My YouTube channel is Paul Havenfields. Paul Havenfields. Now you check. What I was doing here is I was checking so that I can be able to finalize. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. See you. See you. See you. Love you all. Mwah. Toodles.